Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching output and alignment so the magnetic coils line up. This is why compatibility matters. Once you've removed thick or metal-backed cases and powered the charger with a 2030W USB-C PD adapter, place the charger on a flat surface. Make sure the LED or indicator shows ready. If not, check the adapter connection. Next, position your phone above the center of the pad and let the magnets pull it into place. Feel for the click and keep it steady. Once the phone docks, confirm charging by checking the on-screen battery icon and any wattage readout. This tells you the how and why of power delivery. You want a steady readout. If it staggers, lift and reseat the device to re-establish coil alignment. Make sure the phone is not overheating. If it is, remove the case and reduce background load. Also, keep the pad clear of debris and maintain the phone's center over the coil for the most efficient transfer. You finish by confirming a full, stable charge session and noting any irregularities so you can fix them quickly. If charging fails, try a different PD adapter or cable and recenter the phone. This isolates power versus alignment issues. If charging is slow, remove the case and minimize device activity to raise efficiency. If the phone or pad overheats, stop charging, let both cool, and then retry with better airflow. This prevents throttling and ensures consistent magnetic coupling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.